Hey everybody, we're going to change the back signal light on a 99 S10. You know, when your light is blinking that fast, one of them is probably out. So you can look in the front or the back to see which one. See, that's how it normally is supposed to be. When it's flashing real fast, so that's the front, so you know the back one is out. And that's why your signal's flashing so fast. It's not a hard fix. I just went to advanced. You take out two screws up top, right there in that housing there. Take that one out and the one on the bottom, and the light assembly comes off. And then there are two little pigtail connections. These are the ones I bought from Advance. Just double check the number. Your year may be having different numbers, or your year may be different. Um, so the larger connection is for the signal light. You're gonna grab it firmly and twist counterclockwise just a little, and that's going to allow you to lift it out. Like I said, it's not hard. You just take the bulb out. That's the way it looks on the inside. That's the old bulb. So it's just a matter of replacing the old bulb securely, and that's how it should be flashing. So now we're back in business. I was told not to use, touch the new bulb with your hands. Maybe you can wear gloves or something. Supposedly the oil in your skin um, reduces the life expectancy of the bulbs. I don't know. So like I said, just line it back up, twist clockwise, and lock it back into place. Put the two screws in, and you should be good to go. And you'll be fine. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.